is good. And I just get that clean feeling. Hi everybody, it is Shay here, back for another video. Before we jump into the video though, I wanted to give a special thanks to Marla Studio for sponsoring this video. Marla Studio is a brand that creates wearable art. They have clothing, they have shoes, they have accessories such as tote bags. And the best thing about the company to me is that they are a zero waste company, meaning that the items are made to order. So the item that I'm currently wearing is the Courage Art Swing dress, and it has the matching tote with it as well. I'm wearing it in a size small, and they have all sizes. Very breathable and cute and just really flowy, and I love it. I love how you can wear the tote with your dress, or you can wear the items alone. Like if I just want to wear this dress with another purse, I can do that. Or if I want to wear the tote without wearing the dress, I can do that as well. So the pieces are very versatile. And what I love about it is that it's unique. Like, you know how the girls go to different department stores and then sometimes you see girls wearing like the same thing? Well, that's not going to happen if you go to Marla Studio, because every item is unique. Like, you're not wearing what everybody else has. So make sure you guys check out Marla Studio. I will leave the link below. And now let's get to today's video. Okay, it's wash day. Look, oh my gosh, wait, can you see that? Here, let me see if I can sit down. So I'm dealing with a little bit of dryness up here, but it's not as bad as it has been. But we're gonna wash it. It has been 2 weeks. I might be changing up my wash routine. I'll tell y'all why. Anyway, let me wash it. I'm gonna just jump in the shower, wash it, and then we'll come and braid it up. We're probably only gonna leave it in for 1 day because I have like a brunch to go to tomorrow. Let me make sure I'm not exposing myself. I have a brunch to go to tomorrow and I kind of just want to wear my hair down. So that means that we are going to be sitting under the dryer so that it can dry. And we'll be taking it out in less than 24 hours. So let's see how that's gonna look. Okay, it's dry though. So I'm gonna probably go in with my head and shoulders. You know what, maybe just a few head and shoulders washes, and we'll be good. We'll see. All right, we have washed the hair. Okay, yeah, let's see here. So I think it's pretty good. There's like a little bit of, you see that? But they kind of go away after I start twisting up my hair, so I'm not gonna worry about it so much. So let's just get to twisting. You know what? I still haven't bought any apricot oil, so I have been using olive oil. I put a little bit of olive oil in here. That's it. So I'm just gonna braid it back. All right, let's start, and then we'll just chit chat for a minute. So you guys, I've been having fun. Oh, I've been having fun over on TikTok with doing my teacher outfits of the day. Like, that's a little thing on TikTok. If you don't follow me there, go follow me. Okay, yeah, so if you don't follow me on there, go follow. All right, I'm gonna just do this to the back. But yeah, it's been really fun doing that. And what else? That's it for the most part. Does that look good? Yeah, that's fine. Okay. I don't want to bore y'all. I don't think I have nothing else to say. If I got something else to say, I'll come back. but we'll be back in a minute after we get this done. 20 minutes. Okay, so we are done. Did that change? Okay, we're done. Literally, probably 20 minutes, like I always say, is so super quick. So, you know what's crazy is that they almost seem like they're dry, but I know they're, I mean, like, not dry, but it's not like super wet. But I am going to sit under the dryer for a bit, and then I'll take them out in the morning. And that is it, girls and guys. It is now the next day. I never set up under the dryer last night. I got so lazy. The plan was to take it down today, but I'm not. I'm gonna leave it up. I feel like this is cute. I just got back from church. Little estate sale earrings that I have on right here. And yeah, now we're at Costco getting gas, but my hair is, it's not completely dry, but it's dry enough. But I realized that I don't need to be, like, I should have sat under the dryer last night. Like, it wasn't as hot as it's been yesterday, so I should have set up under the dryer. Like, I should not have went to bed with wet hair, but I did. Good morning, everybody. It is, what is it now? 2 days later from when I talked to you guys. Hold on. Let me bring this up a little bit. Okay, 2 days later from when I talked to you guys before. So we're doing the takedown. We're on our way to work. We are pretty much on time, but we are just getting these out. So let's do that. And then I think I wanted to talk about how I'm probably changing my washing schedule. Washing, not routine so much, but washing schedule. So let's take these out and then we'll chat about that really quickly. So we have the braids or the lock braids out, kept them up for 2 days. Of course, you know, the longer you keep them up, the tighter your wave pattern is, but that's good. I like it. It'll last me for actually like 2 weeks, because this video is kind of about how I am changing my wash routine. I guess my washing schedule, shall I say. So previously, I had been washing once a week, but now I'm going to every 2 weeks. And that's because I realize that I can go that long and that my hair will last, and it'll be, you know, like I still like it after a week of being out or whatever. Before, I was washing it every week because I was getting a lot of buildup at the top. And also I was oiling my hair every day. So now I don't oil as much. Maybe a few times a week I'm using my Carol's Daughter oil, but I'm noticing that by not oiling that much, that my scalp is not getting as dry. How ironic, right? I think somebody left me a comment about oil, like buildup usually comes from oiling your hair or something to that effect. And so I was like, okay, well, let me see what happens. Hold on. Okay, let me see what happens if I don't oil as much. So I stopped oiling as much and I don't get a lot of buildup. I'm able to go every 2 weeks now with washing my hair, and I love it. Not that it takes a long time to wash my hair. You guys know, semi-freeform, I only have 46 locks. So washing is literally, it might take me an hour to do the process. But now I don't have to worry about washing it every week. I'm going every 2 weeks and it's good. So change is good. Change is good. I feel like I'm getting a cleaner wash, if that makes more sense. I think it's because 2 weeks have gone by. Of course, your hair is going to be a little dirtier than it is after 1 week. So 2 weeks go by, I can wash and I just get that clean feeling, as opposed to washing after 1 week. I hope that makes sense. So I'm washing every 2 weeks and I'm just loving it. It's just, you guys, for me, locks are just like a lifesaver. I don't have to worry about a lot. I really don't have to worry about humidity. I don't have to worry about having a total wash day of like 4 hours. That's how it was when I was a loose natural. It was too much for me. This washing is 1 hour and it's just good. I braid it up and I just go. I can wear my braids up, as you guys saw the other day, as a style, and then I'll take them out and that's another style. So it's just, those are my two go-to styles. Easy, simple, quick. Also, as far as not oiling as much, because I know somebody left me a comment about feeling like their locks just look dry. It might also come along with the maturity of your locks. Like in the beginning stages, I want to say that my locks felt and looked a little more drier than they do now. I think your locks have to mature, and then they just, you know, just like with anything else, they get into a, like you're just training your hair to become what it is. So of course I use the black dye. I feel like it helps with the dryness. That's ironic as well. But I feel like dyeing my hair kind of just covers up the dinginess, shall I say. So be patient. Change is good. You don't have to get into a certain routine with your locks where you just get stuck and that is what it is. No, you can also change. It can be good. You can go from washing once a week to twice a week to maybe even a month. Like I was talking to my sister and I know she only washes about every 3 weeks. Her locks, she's had them for at least 16 years. You do what's right for you. Do what's right for you. I like changing up the program sometimes. You don't have to, but change can be good. And that's in any aspect of life, right? Whether we get a new job or we just change our eating habits, whatever. Change can be good. So just embrace the change. I think that's all I have to say. Braid out. You guys, did I do it? Let me see. Okay. There we go. I think I got them all out this time. Remember last time I had my braid out and I had one big one stuck in the back. I was like, here I go. But anyway, they're all out now. We're good. We are on our way. We are on our way to work. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.